Hey yo, what up people? It is your boy Black Stunner, and of course you are welcome once again to the Beat O2 YouTube channel. Yes, today, just like the previous videos, I'm really looking forward to having or spending some time with you guys, right? Today we are not going to look at making a beat. Today is actually going to be a drum kit. I want to share with you guys. In the previous video, if you can remember, I said I was going to share with you a drum kit. It is called the Wolf Drum Kit. It's a trap and then hip hop drum kit. So if you're a fan of trap music or hip hop, I think you might want to get this drum kit for yourself and use it. And guess what? The good thing is this drum kit is totally and absolutely free, right? Yes, you heard me right. It is totally and absolutely free. You can go ahead, download it and use it. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section below, so anybody that is interested can go ahead and download it, right? Before I say anything else, I want to give a very big shout out to Kush God. Now, Kush God played a very big role, in bringing this drum kit to life, right? Yes, even though I had delayed in bringing out the drum kit, but Kush God actually played a very big role in bringing this drum kit to life. So yes, who is ready? Who else is ready to have fun today? Because I am ready and turned up, right? I'm turned up. I'm so excited to share this drum kit with y'all. So without wasting any much time, stay tuned. The drum kit is up next. Yep, so remember, it is the Beat O2 YouTube channel, and of course it is your boy Black Stunner behind the microphone. I think it is time to check out a couple of sounds from the drum kit. The first sound we might want to check out is the 808, right? Very important and key and in trap beats and in hip hop beats, very important. So yeah, let's listen to these 808 sounds. Yep, that was the 808, or those were the 808 sounds. The next group of sounds we want to look at is the claps and the snares. I actually grouped them as one. So the first we're going to look at is the clap first. And then next we have the snare. Right, so there you have it with the claps and then the snares. The next group of sounds we have the hi-hats and then the open hats, right? Yep, so with the hi-hat first. And now moving on to the open hi-hats. There you go. The next thing we have right here is the kick, obviously, of course. Yep, so that was the kick. The last thing we want to check out is the perk. Yeah, the perk. Right, so there you go with the perk. So yes, this has been the Wolf drum kit right here. A very good drum kit with good sounds, actually have that quality in them. Yes, so this is the Wolf drum kit, and yes, I think this is it for today. Remember the Beat O2 YouTube channel, you have to subscribe. If you have any tips on how I can improve on my videos, just feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Right, so remember, I'm also going to drop the link to the drum kit in the comment section. So yes, anybody that is interested in the Wolf drum kit can go ahead and download it, especially those that are fans of trap music and hip hop music. you go ahead, download this drum kit and use it. And yeah, anybody that wants to make a beat in general, of course, you can go ahead and download this drum kit as well and use it. Once again, I want to say a very big shout out to Kush God, played a very big role in bringing this drum kit to life. Remember, the Beat O2 page is on Facebook. Make sure you like. You can follow me personally on Facebook at Blackstunner. Instagram is Blackstunner. Twitter we have is Blackstunner or Beastunner on Twitter. Yes, and yes, I repeat, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, this particular YouTube channel. So until we meet again, make sure you stay safe. This has been Blackstunner with you, right? I'm out.